On that day, I was playing games with my friend as usual. And my friend said to me, "Let's get out now." I came out of the internet cafe. I was walking down the street with my friend. My friend stopped in front of a dangerous alley and said to me,
Let's go in.
"Can we go in?"
It's gonna be fun.
At last, in the end, I followed my friend into the alley. He ended up opening a door that shouldn't have been opened. Out of curiosity, I followed my friend. "Where are you going? Is it okay?" My friend didn't respond at all. The moment my friend stopped, I saw a sight I could not believe. I closed my eyes and followed what my friend did. It was a mysterious world. Cute things welcomed me, and it was nice to feel lighter. When I realized I was in a hellish place, and bad things were looking at me. I wanted to quickly run away from that place. I don't know where it is. After getting out of hell, I could forger the pain and greater joy. But it didn't last long. I went back to hell, to a more painful and distressing place. I tried to get out of there somehow. I ran to the exit with all my might. When I opened the door, I found out. The only way out of this road is not to begin.